Welcome to our tutorial on the Linear Sketch Pattern tool. Let's begin with a right-click, select Edit Sketch. Now let's activate the Linear Sketch Pattern tool. This command is also available under the Tools menu, Sketch Tools, Linear Pattern. The X and Y axes are already pre-selected in our direction control areas. Under Entities to Pattern, I'll select this circle. Distance, let's enter a value of 20 millimeters, tab. And for direction 2, let's make it 2 instances. We can use the reverse direction, or we can enter 270 degrees here. The second distance, let's make it 20 millimeters as well, tab. The last control area is instances to skip. Here we can select some instances to skip, if we don't need them. Let's click OK. If I want to edit the linear pattern, I highlight one of the entities and then right-click and select Edit Linear Pattern. Let's cancel out of this and exit our sketch now. And this concludes our tutorial on using the Linear Sketch Pattern command. Welcome to our tutorial on the circular sketch pattern. Let's begin with a right-click, Edit Sketch. Let's activate the Circular Sketch Pattern tool this time. Under Entities to Pattern, we'll select this circle. Here we can specify the center along which the circular pattern will be created. The number of instances, the spacing, or the number of total degrees to include in the pattern. Let's put 180 degrees. The radius of the pattern, let's enter 30 millimeters, tab. The next field is Arc Angle. This measures the angle from the center of the selected element. Next, we have Equal Spacing and Add Dimensions options. In the bottom control area, we can select the instances we'd like to skip. Let's click OK and exit the sketch. And this concludes our tutorial on creating a circular sketch pattern. Welcome to our tutorial on creating a sketch from a selection. Let's right-click and make this sketch visible. Now let's insert a reference plane. We'll offset it from the front plane by 20 millimeters. OK. Next, let's select some entities in Sketch 1. We're going to Control-select a few entities and select the plane I just created as well. Now let's go to the Tools menu, Sketch Tools, select Create Sketch from Selections. Here is Sketch 2, created on Plane 1. Let's hide the extrude and this sketch. Here is the sketch that we've created from Sketch 1. And this concludes our tutorial on creating a sketch from a selection.